Hello everyone, thank you for giving me this opportunity and I'm really happy to introduce myself and my journey with Avision. I'm Basavaraj Sri Gautaki and I'm from Vasco, Goa. I've pursued my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering in 2018 in Girja Vaisal Institute of Technology, Karwar. All these years I've been trying to get a job and I've not been successful in getting one. And one day online, while I was surfing the net online, uh, I found about Avision TechnoServe. I found it really interesting. Avision TechnoServe is an IT recruitment and consulting company, and I registered myself for this training. And in their training modules, they cover various core technologies such as CCNA in routing and switching, Windows administration, Linux administration, and cybersecurity. And we get to learn many topics such as in basic networks we get to learn about networks, its type, architecture, uh, medium of communication such as various cables used in IT companies, OSI model, TCP IP model, and we also learn virtualization technology. And in advanced CCNA routing and switching modules, we learn about IP address, subnet mask, CIDR, subnetting. We have learned about DHCP, its configuration, Telnet, SSH. We have learned about routing. In routing, we have learned static and dynamic routing. In dynamic routing, we have learned about various protocols such as RIP, EIGRP, and OSPF. And we have learned about switching, VLAN, ACL, NAT, and also about WAN technologies. And in Windows administration, we have learned about Windows client operating system and Windows server operating system. In Windows client operating system, we have learned about various administrative tools such as Event Viewer, how to protect our drive using BitLocker drive encryption tool, and how to protect our system using Windows Defender Firewall, and then how to take backup of our operating system using backup and recovery tools. And in Windows Server operating system, we have learned about domain joining, user creation, and then about Active Directories, domain controller and its type. We have learned about WDS server, and we have also learned about workgroup and domain architectures. We have learned about mailing systems. In that MS Outlook, its various protocols involved in MS Outlook and its troubleshooting. We have learned about different hardware devices and its troubleshooting, and various protocols such as FTP, RDP, and in RDP we have learned about remote support tools. And we have also covered various cybersecurity topics such as information gathering, Google hacking, scanning, system hacking, steganography, penetration testing, then social engineering, malware, and hacking, Wi-Fi hacking. And in Linux administration, we have learned about operating system, that is Red Hat Linux operating system, and various commands used in that operating system. Along with all these modules, we had ample amount of practicals which gave us more idea about real-time environment and work exposure, which we found it beneficial. And along with this, every weekend we would be given mock interviews so that we would have a revision and better understanding of topics. And along with this, we were given presentations so that we could build confidence. And with all these things, I feel I am confident and capable enough to get a good job in an IT company. And if I will be selected in a company, I will prove myself to be an asset to the company. Thank you.